Want to build a language learning website like Preply, Italki, or Cambly? With online education growing rapidly, language learning platforms have become one of the most profitable e-learning business ideas. In this video, we'll explain how you can build your own language learning website quickly and efficiently using solutions like YoCoach. Start by choosing your target audience. Your platform can focus on kids learning languages. It can also focus on IELTS or TOEFL preparation. Another option is corporate language training. You might focus on one-on-one tutoring or offer group language classes. Choosing a niche helps your platform stand out from competitors. Your language learning website should include student and tutor profiles. It should have live video classes and booking and scheduling features, include secure payment gateways, ratings and reviews, multilingual support, and progress tracking. Solutions like YoCoach already come with many of these built-in features to help businesses launch faster. Now decide whether to build your platform from scratch or use ready-made software. Custom development gives full flexibility, but requires more time, budget, and technical resources. Ready-made software like YoCoach helps entrepreneurs launch quickly with ready-to-use features, scalability, and ongoing technical support. To build a successful language learning website, focus on a smooth user experience. Also prioritize interactive learning tools and reliable tutors, and make sure your technology is scalable. Platforms like YoCoach can help simplify the entire development process and reduce time to market. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more online business and e-learning platform insights.